Glorious Patron, low before thee kneel thy sons with hearts aflame, and our voices blend in music, singing praises to thy name. Saint John Baptist, glory's patron, Saint La Salle, we sound thy fame. Loyal to our Queen and Mother, at her feet didst bow thy heart, earth and all its joys forsaking, thou didst choose the better part. Saint La Salle, our glorious Father, pierce our souls with love.